The society has given me a lot. I had something to the society, return back. அறிவது அறிந்து அடங்கி அஞ்சுவது அஞ்சி உருவது உலகுவப்ப செய்து பெறுவதனால் இன்புற்று வாழும் இயல்பினர் எஞ்ஞான்றும் துன்புற்று வாழ்தல் அரிது. This is the words of the Naladiyar. So you have done something good means I feel so happy. So I am the one of the happiest women in the world. I am E. Thirumagal, retired librarian of Mananmayam Sundarnar University, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. We are not able to give the value of the tree. It is unimaginable. One well-known person is taking 7 to 8 liters of air per minute. Per day, he or she may take 11,000 liters of the air. From the air, that is 20% is oxygen. That means per day, a person takes 550 liters of oxygen. 2.75 liters of oxygen cylinder rate is approximately rupees 5,200. On that basis, if you calculate per day a person how much of amount of oxygen intake, that is 28 lakhs 60,000 rupees. So if we come to the tree, a well-grown tree can provide oxygen for 4 persons. That means 28 lakhs 60,000 into 4 means 1 crore 14 lakhs 40,000 rupees air per day. That means per day. If we calculate for 30 days means 34 crore 32 lakhs. I means 34 crore 32 lakhs rupees of the air it is producing. In addition to that, it clean the air by taking carbon dioxide also. We are not able to give. So if we nurture the nature will automatically nurture. We should protect the nature in so many ways. So as an individual, I am taking some steps of environmental protection activity. So here I dig 2 ponds, that is 70 into 40 into 13 feet depth. Then put drip irrigation also. 10,425 saplings in front of the in the university campus and in the public park also. I started fruit bearing trees in the women's hostel backside and in the hostel also. Then it gives the neems collected. In addition to that, native trees like pungan, badam, neems collected and soaked for the 24 hours. If you soak means the growing time is very less. Then I added the involvement of protection of the, I pray the Almighty God. So here then I take involvement of the student also. So then encourage the government school children to take part in this. Then I donated 400 saplings with the tree guard in the Tulkarpeti, our village also. So again, in my residential area, I planted in front of the houses and we are having large number of parks in the Tirunelveli Corporation. In the 3 parks, I planted some saplings. Then specifically, for specific species, butterfly is coming. We can sow the seeds, means the butterfly automatically come. That also coming. With the help of the E.F.I, Environmental Foundation of India. So with the help of the Environmental Foundation of India, we encouraged the ponds in the university campus with the help of our collector, Dr. Vishnu IAS. He is the very good person. Then E.F.I Foundation, Krishnamurthy is the founder of that. They do it as the freely in the campus. Then in the last year, I removed the Karvelam in the register quarters, nearly 5 acres. Then I put the drip irrigation, I planted the trees also. Then in addition to that, for my husband's 70th birthday, I cleaned the nearly 5 acres and gave them the 500 saplings. Then all are growing well. Then I should thanks to that of Almighty that everything is done with my own savings amount. Here we can see what are the steps I had taken year by year. From the 2012, I encouraged the government school children. Then we celebrate the library week celebrations with the conducting of essay, speech, drawing competition, and distribute the prizes and certificate. At the time, we planted a school in the school campus itself. See, so the library celebration is on the November 14 to 20s. So we are conducting, for example, this one is the drawing competition and that of essay writing competitions. Then prizes are distributed and certificates are issued by to the Mandramurthy school. Then addition, Kammalam government schools also we have taken. This one is the then speech conducted the as usual like that of speech competition. This one is the invitation of that of then Radiant IAS Academy. So they are writing competition. See the small girls are playing on that competition is going on. Then one that two girls, one girl should sit here itself. Then he is the auditor Ramesh. Then we are distributing the prizes of them. Then they are planting trees. Prepare the packets in the house in the waste bottle itself. Then I collect the native trees, Pungan, Vembu, Sarakondrai, with the help of that. Then I started the broken buckets and some seed beds I prepared. Then I soaked for 24 hours. Then it will grow well automatically. The growing time is very less. See, 1 liter water bottle I take. I cut the head. Then put 3 holes. See, the holes are there. Put 3 holes here and down also. Then after that, that fully grown saplings are replaced here itself. Then after that it will be ready for the saplings. Then here for the plantation of the palm seeds, this is the first phase. 2014 July 10th with the help of our library staff itself we encouraged the first phase of the library staff also. This one is the palm seeds. Then he is planting that planted palm seeds are grown well. That's see in 14 we started planted. Then here then I taken photos on 36/2023 in front of the biotechnology department. So it is very beautiful. I'm so happy. In 2015 we shifted to the newly constructed library building. So I started digging up that JCP. So because the mud is very hard, so I am not able to take it. So with the help of the JCP, we dug it. Then we started plantation itself. So this is the first Viva conducted in the newly constructed library building. That saplings are planted by they are the Annamalai University staff. They are our university staff only. So they planted. Then in the 2016, I put drip irrigation in all the area also. This one is the library in English department. So madam is that of librarian of Venkateshwara University. So she planted with the help of our library staff and our student. So we are having department. Then at the first memorable day of Dr. ABJ Abdul Kalam, our Vice Chancellor, he is our Vice Chancellor Dr. Bhaskar sir, then he is our Registrar John Brito sir. So they are planted saplings. These saplings are grown in my house itself. Then he is Dr. Palavesam, he is our library staff only. This one is inside the library campus itself. So all the staffs members are involved in that day. Then planted saplings. That planted saplings are grown well. So these photos are taken 28/6/2023. So see, just like the jungle is very beautiful. Then this one is the Wi-Fi tree. So we are not able to find out the Wi-Fi tree. So this photo is taken on the rooftop of the library. Then in 2017, I started seed balls also. So with this one is the dry, the red soil and cow dung, dry cow dung, and mix it and prepared so Pungan, Vembu, Badam. So this one is the 6,500 seed balls are prepared. Then this one is the Pungan, this one is the badam. So this like that of loved Tirupati laddu, it is the badam seeds are very big, no? So it is very big. So the prepared seed balls are distributed to the at the time we conducted conference, we distribute to the participants also. Then that excess thrown in the campus with the help of our students. Then we started sapling packet also. So they are our they are the PhD scholars. In the Saturday they involved in that work also. Okay. Then the sapling packets he is the Dr. Nehru. Then my other prepared sapling packets. That sapling packets are kept very safely in a separate place and that pour water. Then see started growing. That grown saplings are yes planted by and the day then one syndicate meetings are there. So at that before starting the syndicate, so all the syndicate members have started plantations. Then he is our Dr. Y. Bhaskar sir planting this tree. Then he is a John Brito sir. Then he is one of the syndicate members. All are planting in front of the gate. Then he is a Dr. Principal of Sadak Abdullah College. He is our Madhava Somasundaram HOD of Criminology Department. Then he is Dr. Rajashekhar, Management Department HOD. He is TRR sir, Dr. T.R. Rajashekhar sir. Then Madhavan sir. So he is a great person. So Madhavan sir, Department of Management. Then Madam is Swasi Madam. So everywhere they are planting trees. Our Vice Chancellor has encouraged us more. So we are so lucky. So then in the Saturday and Sunday, we planted, the saplings are grown in the library itself. So he is Muthu, he Durga, Suraya, so everyone, Shyam, so the money, so the students, then other students' involvement. Then in front of the biotechnology department and the CET department, we started plantations. So these are some photos are taken in front of the biotechnology department. So they are the hostel student. Then for the harvesting of the structures, for encouraging the harvesting structure, I dig 2 ponds, 70 into 40 into 13 feet height. The ponds are in the back side. This one is the pond. This one is one pond. At the time of rainy, it all are full of water. Then back side of the integrated block. This one is the back side of the English department. That madam is Dr. Kala madam. Then at the time of the assuming charge of the head of the department, powers, it is good for the ladies. That hair is good for the uterus strength. So she planted. That plant is also grown in the library itself. Then that planted she grown like that. So how big it is. Then from the newly constructed integrated block, we with the help of our team. So these are the teams of our our village, our area. So he is Siva, he is Isaki, then he is Magesh. So the saplings are planted. The saplings are planted in my house itself. See how much big it is. So in the morning 7 o'clock we went there and planted saplings, and within 1.5 hours we will come back. Then the saplings are planted and pour water. That saplings are grown like this one. That saplings, see, these saplings are grown like this big. So the height of the tree is so big. So he is not able to cut it. So he is standing. So he is Mani, Isaki, Magesh is in the top. So cut the trees, and that cut the trees are grown well. So the students are discussing with the bike. They are parking the bike also. I am so happy with this environment. The pictures are some of that trees also planted in our by myself only. That is that pour water by Magesh and Mani, that Magesh and Siva, that tree is a bamboo. See how beautiful. Then in front of the professor's quarters, this one is the newly constructed professor's quarters. In front of the professor's quarters, I cleaned the area also, that area also. Then I put the saplings. That saplings also grown in my house itself. That saplings, then after that it grown well. That the pour water, the only professor's quarters, the staff only pour the water. Myself only planted the saplings only. That all the staff members only, they their own interest they pour the water. The saplings are grown well. See how beautiful. The flowers are there, then seeds are there also. How thick. Then I put the planted areas are very big. The saplings are so large. So I am not able to pour water daily. So I put the drip irrigation with my own savings account only. So in front of with the permission of the administrators, I started drip irrigations. So information technology department is this one is the first previous steps. So this one is the information IT department, information technology department. The back side we planted saplings. Then in addition to that, we collected pungan and badam seeds in the university campus itself only. So Madam is Jansi Madam. At the after the 5:30, she sowed the seeds and take the from the seed. It take the seed. So we are going to prepare the seed bed. So broken bucket is used. So dried cow dung is filled off. Then 24 hours 24 hours soaked pungan seeds. So this one, she is the security, Madam is the Jansi Madam sowing the seeds. So June 23rd sowing the seeds. After that, the seeds are grown well. See. Then this one is the hostel sisters prepare the seed bed, soaked badam. Badam seeds are spread for the seed bed. So they are so happy. They are involvement of this work. The soaked seed beds are grown like this. That badam, that pungan and badam. The images are so lovely. In front of the hostel, Sarakondrai. So both of them are planting. Then in these images are taken in front of the registrar quarters. The hostel sisters are planting that area of the 51 saplings with the tree guard itself. Then we take involvement of the students also. By that only they are the next generations they are going to. So with the waste management itself, the waste bucket, broken bucket, so the soaked seeds. So the children are pray God and sowed the seeds and preparing the seed bed. So that girls, this is the in the middle of the integrated block. So this one is the waste 1 liter water bottle. Then the pungan tree. So it is good for health of the ladies. So uterus strength, the hair is strengthen the uterus of the girls. Then so the girls are involved in the planting of the, so this one is the mud, cow dung, dried cow dung, then planting this. So in both the sides, in both the in middle of the block, so we planted. So the planted povorus, then see how beautiful. So the girls, it's grow more than the double time of the height. So that waste water bottle also we can use it once again also. Again and again we can use it. I use it more times. Then this one is the another side. In both side we planted. This one is the another. So it is no. In addition to that, I am so much blessed by the God. One bird put the nest and give the hatch the also. Then in the coconut, so I cut it the coconut this shape with the axa blade. We are not able to cut by the arval, so I cut it through the axa blade. I put the images like this, pencil images. Then I cut it. That images also, that coconut. Then I remove the coconut. That coconut also used for the growing the taking the seed bird. So our vice, so he is the Dr. Pichumani sir. He is a very good person, great scientist. Then he is encourage us. Then I put the tree in front of the hostel. So encourage the hostel student. So I tie up with all the See the dried coconut. I hang up. Then he pour the seeds. Then he is our finance officer. He is our registrar. Dr. Marudakutti. He is Dr. Palavesam sir. Plant science HOD. Animal science HOD. Then go school. Hostel student also cut the shell, coconut shell in the tree gourd. I prepared more. So this one is for the one for the water and one for the seed grain. I put the one grain, one for the grain and one for the water. I pour water also. Then one squirrel is taking, no, see, I am not able to clear the picture, so, but anyhow I have taken, that squirrel is taking wheat, godhum. Then in the broken egg tray also used for the sapling growth. Then I filled with the cow dung and 24 hours soaked seeds. I spread it. Then I spread the cow dung. Then after 15 or 16 days, the seeds are grown like seed. So after 30 days, after 15 days, we can remove it and put it to the bottle. Then we collect the air conditioned wastewater also. We tried. So Madam is Kala Madam, Ramakrishnan. So both of them are sowing the seeds. Then see the seed, the air conditioned wastewater, then save the plantation purpose. So after days, so it grown well. Then now it's ready for the plantation in front of the department or the wherever the students are like it, we can do it. Though, so this one is the part of my house. Then the bottles, see the bottles are arranged like this. So if we do like this means we can by excess water. Then if I could put the hole means the excess water will come outside 3 or 4 holes. Then we can remove if we remove it means, so only dried cow dung is putting in the bottle. So we can remove it very easily. So we all the roots is coming up. So there is no disturbance for the each and everything. So the plant will grow fast. The bottles can use it once again also. I encourage the government school children for the environmental protection activity. This one in the Nittur government school near the Alangalam, Tirunelveli. Now it is in the Tenkasi district. So I donated the saplings. They asked so I encourage the government school children. They are the faculty, teachers of this school. Their students are so much of happy and planted. Then this one is the Tulkarpatti, adapted village. So these much saplings are collected from the black office of Manur. They gave to me. Then I donated to that of Tulkarpatti village. Then myself also put the car and drive it and go there and distribute it to the each and every those who are interested in. Then gave them to the tree guard also. Then I gave 100 tree guards. So donate to them. Then to safeguard from the from it, I put the old saree and covering it. By that only it will grow well. So I gave them and gave them to the write up. So which tree, how many numbers and how many tree guard, how many saplings. I get them signature also. So by that only they can take somewhat involvement in the growth of the tree. So that gentle lady having three plants and three tree guards and covered with the old saree. By that only the cattle will not take. So in village so many cattle will be there. Each and everybody is having cattle. So this sir is taking himself for the 2 tree guards. Then he is ready to putting. So she is my granddaughter. So I involved then. So she prepared the soaked we used the waste bucket with the filled half filled cow dung, dried cow dung only, dried cow dung. Then my husband is sitting here, so he is encouraging. Then she only spread it and say, so put in the, so sowed the seeds, again the seeds. Then she is spreading. Then after she is spreading on that 9/7/2021. After that again she came here. Then again she prepared. So then he spread it. Then after 15/8, that seeds that already grown, that seeds, the sowed seeds are grown like this only. See, again she is the pungan soaked pungans. So if we soak it means the growing time is very automatically for growing the pungan it will take 38 to 45 days. But if you do 15th or 16th day, then come will. Then within 1 month it is ready for plantations. Then she is another granddaughter. Then she is also involved in this work. Then this one is the seed bed. So this one is the removed bottles are there. Then this one is the some parts of that. So seed that removed from the seed beds, it is removed in the bottles. That bottles are arranged like this only. That also the newly cow dung, dried cow dung. Then the bottles, see so if I put the 3 or 4 holes here, then the side also the bottles is very 2 liters bottles. So here like this. So the roots are coming up now. So automatically the tree will grow very fast. So I put them in my car and go to the top library or wherever who is interested, and I am going to distribute it. In plantation of the newly constructed, in the Shanti Nagar we are having one newly building is there. So this one is the newly constructed area. So we visited there. Then we started plantations with the blessings of the administrator, vice chancellor, registrar. So that all with the help of our hostel sisters, with the car, that saplings are grown in my house itself only. So see, in the bucket it is there. Then this one is my waste water bottle, 10 liters water bottles. So I put it there, and the tree guard also. The tree guard is bring from the university itself. So these are the university extension centers, Shanti Nagar extension centers. Then see, at the end all the saplings are planted. 22 saplings are planted in the Shanti Nagar itself. Then I taken care of the residential area, my residential area. So we planted saplings in the roadside itself, in front of the houses. Then madam is planting that so that planted trees, saplings, it grows. See how much height. That Sari is helping in front of his house. So is Raju, Mahesh, Isaki. So the tree guards is prepared. So I bought it for the 100 meters. Then we cut it and put the old sari, cover it. Then I put the sticks are put, 3 sticks. By that only it will stand, no? So 3 sticks are put. Then we are ready to. So the ground the photos are taken in the top. Then we are having large number of park in the Tirunelveli corporations. Then one small park is there in this opposite backside of the ration shop. Then here these saplings are, see how nearly his shoulders height, arm height. Then 49 saplings. So the students are, he is Arun, then Sari is Navanida Krishnan, that Sari is also. So they are also putting the stick. So the stick, the saplings are very nice, no? So it is falling. So he is put on sticks and put it other also. So he is also an Arun, another Arun. So the students are how so happy. They only pour the water. See the small boys. So that saplings are grown like this only. So very good. Then it is another park. Then another small park, 35 saplings. So we put it on the January 3rd, 2021. Then at the evening time only, that girl is putting. Then he is Isaki. Then The sir himself only poured the 35 saplings in every day with one bucket of water. So he is his miss, she is his miss, Mrs. Then so money. So this waste bottle, see, the waste bottle is using again and again. So it times in the night. So he is pouring water. He is taking care of this whole. Now it's grown well. Then another big park in there. So for the face manner we are planting the in Gandhinagar main park. It is the second largest park in Tirunelveli Corporation. So I planted 182 saplings there. So first we sapling with my brother's son. So okay, auntie, I will also come. Okay, come. He is planting. Then myself. Then he is our student, our area student. Then it grows well. Then automatically that it will fall. So he is putting one stick and put tie up there. That tree is grown like this only. See how beautiful. Then here I put the drip irrigation also. So here I put the drip irrigation. So this one is the park animals. Then the public areas. Then after that 1/7 the images are taken. So this one is this plant is grown like this one. The same images. Then it becomes the flower also. This one is the images inside the plant. Then this one is so I am not able to capture the images. So this one is the in front of the park. Then I started the fruit bearing trees also in the hostel deep block, fruit bearing trees like that of navel, guava, then pomegranate, kodukapulli, then sitapalam, amla, everything is tried. So the same place. So that places is removed like our hostel sisters only, they themselves only doing. So how much that started plantations. That same area is discussing with the sewage treatment plant. We put that sewage treatment for the ladies hostel. That under this images of the novel tree, our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Registrar Dr. Annadurai, then our Dean also discussing with the chief guest also. So Amla, then Guava, so beautiful. Then pomegranate, Kodukapulli. This one is the amla, native amla. So how? So this one is the sapota fruit, squirrel taken. Then this one is the in front of the ladies' hostel. This one is the planted. That planted saplings like grown like this only. Then this one. Then we can create the butterfly garden also. That for the specific seeds. If you sow the seeds means the seed grow means there's automatically large number of butterfly come. Our university is having two ponds. Then, with the help of the Environmental Foundation of India, we renovate and restore the pond on 29th July 2022. So, our district collector Vishnu started that function and gave the keynote address. So, collector is coming here, then our registrar, they are the retired environmental protective persons. Then he is the Mr. Arun Krishnamurthy. So he is very smart and young also. Then he is doing so many works regarding the ponds clearance and renovate and restoration all over the Tamil Nadu and India, specifically to our university and Tirunelveli. So then collector inaugurate the function. Then our registrar, Dr. Annadurai, is the world-renowned scientist The 2% of scientists, he is also one among them. He is the environmental faculty and head. Then he gave the key address regarding what is the need for the pond, how to protect it. Then all the address here. Then he is the Arun Krishnamurthy. Then he is the founder of this Environmental Foundation of India. He is doing this work as a free to our university, the two ponds. Then collector, see listening. Then here they are our faculty members and the syndicate members and the students, they are to hear the voice of this papers. Then he is the Dr. Madhavan sir, then other faculty members also there. Then collector gave the keynote address. How many they are waterlogging regarding that of what are the ponds, how many ponds are available in the Tirunelveli district. Everything is done. How to do it? Then he gave the keynote. Then gave the address, special address to the student. Then on 23rd August, then he is Dr. Palavesam sir. He is one of the helping tendency regarding that of pond renovations and restorations. He is also creator of the files. Then he is the Maharaja. He is the district coordinator of Environmental Foundation of India. Then he gave his second hands. These are the works going and see how much ditch they are doing on all the sites. Then in the then they have done that of Madaga also. Then the check dam also they constructed. See. Then he sir is our Dr. Sendamarikanan, statistics professor. Then at the time of on 10th October 2022 and 23rd September, saplings were planted in the banks of this canal. So our register is planting. Then our Professor Dr. Sendamarikanan is also planting saplings. Then all the students involved in this sapling plantations in the banks of this canal. Then he is Dr. Sivakumar, Faculty of Criminology. Then at the time of raining, so all the two ponds are full of water. On 13th November, the photos are taken. The ponds are full of water. On behalf of the university and myself also, thanks to the Environmental Foundation of India and our district collector and the team members of the E.F.I, Environmental Foundation of India. Then in addition to that, we planted saplings. See how beautiful. I am not able to catch the photos in a single space with myself. This is another pond. In the year 2023, I removed the curvailum in front of the register quarters and the back side of the women's hostel, nearly 5 acres. We are having sewage treatment plant in the women's hostel. So this area is cleaned by me with the permission of the administrators. Then I put the drip irrigation in all these areas also. Nearly 5,000 plantations are planted. Then here the materials used for this drip irrigation. Then put the drip irrigations. Then the saplings are planted here itself. Then with the help of Sengatuvan sir, then Muniandi sir, they helped me a lot. Then Mr. Sengatuvan is the forest ranger. They are from the Valliyur forest. He is the Muniandi sir. They came and they helped me. Then the work is going on in a correct way or not. Then in the third gate, then near the pond, we planted saplings. We started the saplings with the inaugural address of Mr. Selvam. So he is the Tahsildar of Tirunelveli Collectorate. Then our registrar, then faculties members, then from the NCC they give honor to the then our registrar honor to Mr. Selvam sir. Then all the faculties members also involved in this function. Then he is Mr. Dr. Madhava Somadara sir, he is the head of the criminology department. He is Dr. Sendamarikanan, statistics department HOD. Then he is Dr. Palavesam sir, plant science HOD. Then every faculty members blessed us. Then These photos taken at the time of 28/12/2016. We started one program, one student, one tree, green our initiatives by the Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu, Mr. C. Vidyasagar Rao, and the governor's daughter was planting the sapling. See, with the Madam Chancellor, our Vice Chancellor Dr. Bhaskar Sir, sent Madam Vice Chancellor and the District Collector. He is the District Collector Karunagaran Sir also is there. At that time, 100 saplings were planted by the student. That this tree is planted by governor's daughter, that grows well. So I am not able to capture in a single snap. So it is more than, it is very beautiful. The photos are taken on 28/6/2023. Then these are the saplings planted at that time by the 100 student. It is near the, between the guest house and the Vice Chancellor's quarters. These photos are taken. In front of the Vice Chancellor's quarters and near the Vice Chancellor quarters, these photos are taken. Addition to that, to celebrate my husband's 70th birthday with the permission of the authorities, I cleaned the area of nearly 5 acres with JCP. 500 saplings were planted by the Panchayat and 500 saplings were donated by me. These are the saplings grown in my house itself. Then all are growing well. He is the librarian of PSG Tech Coimbatore. Then he is my student, Dr. Siva Subramanian. His name is Dr. Armugham. They came there. So I am so happy. I should say thanks to the Almighty in a humble manner. So these saplings are good, very good. The saplings, the waters are poured by the MGNRGS schemes.
நம்ம செடி நம்ம செய்யாம யாரு செய்வா? அதுக்கு தானே அந்த பிறவியை எடுத்துருக்குறோம். நம்ம பாலா போன உடம்பு இதை வச்சுக்கிட்டு தைலமா தடவி வைக்க போறாங்க முன்னாடியாவது.
Then this one is the Sarakondrai. So here this tree is planted in 2016. Now it's blossoms. So it is one of the likable flowers of Siva, Lord Siva. So Narumalar Kondraitar Nahavani Tangangai. So Narumalar Kondraitar, that means the tar means that flowers are garden by the Siva. Then these saplings are, this is the palm seed. 2017 we planted, now it growing. Then one peacock is starting to dance. Then this is near the ladies' hostel. This photo is taken. Very beautiful. In addition to that, the trees giving oxygen and giving shelters, and not only take the carbon dioxide from the air, not only to that, it gives shelter to that of birds also. See, that one bird hatching 2 eggs. Then the bird, 3 or 4, I think 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 birds are that eggs are hatching. I was awarded Green Champion Award for the year 2021 from the Tamil Nadu Government Pollution Control Board Variyam. So for the purpose of environmental protection, water body conservation and eco restoration, sir, the management of conservation management measures. So I selected for the Tamil Nadu government selected 100 people from the Tirunelveli district. 3 were selected. Myself was awarded for the individual award. Then I am doing all this work with my own savings amount only. I am planting the trees not only to the institutions but the residential area in front of the houses, public park and the government school and schools. Then we donated the saplings, those who are interested, and get the with the signature. By that only they can have the somewhat concentration in their work. Then I motivate the youngsters and those who supported the work and donate the saplings. I am so happy that by involvement of this work. Now in the women's hostel, large number of guavas are coming fruits up. Then one bird is also already we have seen one bird is hatching eggs and birds also. I should say so many thanks to the God Almighty and giving me the such things. Then mind. Then these are the works done by me in front of the ponds. Then I am giving. Then in the Nellai Neervalam, Tamil MP4. And then so is the voice record from the collectorate only they release. Then I had selected, I have prepared 6,500 seed balls, that also taken by our student only the video. Then this one is the saplings planted in the Tulukarpatti, then adapted villages. This one is the video of the Gandhi Nagar park and small park, saplings planted in two parks, so Gandhi Nagar and small park itself only. Then this one is the tweet by Mr. Annamalai, State President of Tamil Nadu BJP, in the name of the அறியப்படாத அதிசய மனிதர்கள். பரிப்படிவை மட்டும் புகுத்தாமல் இயற்கையுடன் வாழும் நற்பண்பையும் தமது மாணவர்களுக்கு கற்பித்து வரும் முனைவர் திருமகள் அவர்களுக்கு எனது பாராட்டுக்கள். Just like that, he Twitter. This is the tweeted page. Then in Tamil Indian Express, 22,000 மரங்கள் 2 குளங்கள் தனிப்பெண்ணால் எப்படி சாத்தியம், நெல்லை நூலகரின் சாதனை கதை. Then as on date, I planted 26,139 saplings. Then this one is the this data is taken. Those saplings are grown more 2 feet or more than 2 feet only I had taken. Then I planted nearly more than 1 lakh, but the saplings somewhat maybe so somewhat maybe it is not grown well. So these are the data. I am so happy with this mind. Then I won't purchase any new sarees or any jewelers. Then I had taken 10% of my salary. Then I am crossing that 60. So I have selected 2,000 for the medicine. Then I am not having any servant support. So for that purpose also I had taken 100,000 rupees. Then the amount will become large. Then on that basis amount only I spend this amount. All these saplings, all these works are done by with my own savings account only. Because the society is give me the lot. I want to give something to the society. Then in Tamil Nadu, இறப்ப சிறிதன்னானது இல்லைன்னாது அறப்பயன் யார் மாட்டும் செய்க முறைப்புதவின் துய்யப்புகும் தவசி கடிங்கை போல் பைய நிறைந்து விடும். So if you done something means it will become as a large. This one is that. So so I am so happy. I am so much blessed with the everybody here. Without the support of the administrators and my faculties members and my students support, everybody has gave me a great support. By that only I am doing this such wonders. So I feel so happy. Thank you.